The Cybertruck is equipped with a 2-inch Class 4 trailer hitch receiver designed to handle most standard trailers with gross trailer weights up to 12,000 pounds and tongue weights up to 1,200 pounds. The hitch receiver is bolted directly to the Cybertruck's underbody frame rails for maximum strength and stability. Tesla recommends using their factory-installed OEM hitch to maintain warranty coverage, though compatible aftermarket options are available from manufacturers like Kurt or Reese. Weight distribution is essential when towing loads exceeding 5,000 pounds. Use a weight distribution hitch, or WDH, to properly distribute the trailer's weight and prevent sagging at the rear, ensuring better handling and stability. Always secure the hitch pin with a safety clip to prevent accidental disconnection. For added security, consider using an anti-theft hitch lock, which requires a key to attach or remove the trailer. The Cybertruck includes a pre-installed 7-pin trailer wiring harness that supports standard trailer lights, including brake lights, turn signals, running lights, and reverse lights. Tesla's software allows control of trailer lights through the vehicle's infotainment system, providing seamless integration without additional adapters. Before towing, verify all lights are functioning correctly using the vehicle's trailer brake controller settings in the touchscreen. For electric trailers, ensure voltage compatibility at 12 volts DC to maintain proper operation. When towing with the Cybertruck, there are several important considerations and expert tips to keep in mind for safe and effective operation. First, be mindful of the reduced range when towing. Expect a 20 to 30% decrease in the vehicle's driving range due to the additional load and energy requirements. Tesla recommends using aftermarket trailer brake controllers like those from Tekonsha for optimal braking performance and safety. Automotive engineers emphasize the Cybertruck's frame rigidity, which provides excellent towing stability. However, they strongly advise professional installation for any DIY setups to ensure safety and warranty compliance. Finally, always adhere to the specified weight limits for towing and tongue weight to prevent hitch failure and ensure safe operation.